Hey, happy Friday. Today's Friday. It was a short week, short and sweet, but it sure seemed to go by slowly. Anyways, I'm out in the field. Yesterday we were looking at that puffball, which I don't see one of them right now. It rained today, so it's very likely that the rain knocked, oh, I think it was over there. The rain may very well have knocked all of the puffs off of it. Also, it's supposed to be thunderstorms for the next half hour, but it's kind of slowed down, and if you look, that's what we got. So it's blue sky here and gray sky there. Just depends on your point of view, I guess. So this is going away, this is showing up, life is good. But I am in sunflower state, so I thought maybe it would be appropriate to, where are you? Where are you? Bring in sunflowers. So these are little, they could be a sunflower, they could be a small one, or they could be a false sunflower, which is it's almost like a sunflower, but it's not. It's a liar. But anyways, there's a lot of stuff out here today, and so I'm just kind of trying to see. But anyways, with that puffball, back to that puffball. Dad thinks it might be salsify, which is what I like to do to my tortilla chips. But what I want to do is find the flower that would accompany that ploof, which could be this. I don't know what that is. That's new. But I mean, oh, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. There's some out here. I don't want to go out there, but I might have to, just for the sake of entertainment. Oh, or I could just walk over here and capture these beauties. Look at that. There's a few of them here. That might be it. That might be that salsify. I don't know. I might have to look. I'm going to take a picture of that. I'll be back. I've also been, I mean, I wish you guys were here so you could see this. There's just so much happening right here in nature's garden. They're doing a fantastic job of all the different colors, textures, shapes, all kinds of neat stuff. But anyways, I'm going to look what this up. I'm going to look up what this is, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Got two options for this thing. Oh, there's a little, see a little ladybug on there? Two options for this: woodland sunflower or helianthropoids, not sunflower, fake sunflower, false sunflower, which would be what that other thing might have been also. But these are pretty. Look at that. They're super bright, very vibrant out here, large and in charge, doing their thing. But anyways, I am on a quest to find salsify flowers. So I'm gonna continue that. I'm gonna be walking around, show you guys some more things later. Jesus, I don't know if that thing took a beating. This is we looked at this one yesterday, the very same one, and it just does not. Looks like the weather beat the tar out of that thing. But anyways, I'm gonna keep walking, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I thought I found one, but I'm being told that this here is I can't tell if that's a focus or not, but being told that's a black-eyed Susan. So that's what that is, not salsify. So anyways, the search continues. There are a lot of bugs out here, and there's fewer than yesterday because of the rain, I'm guessing, but there are still those that are relentless, and they continue. So anyways, I'm gonna keep walking, exploring, looking, searching, and maybe we'll get lucky. I don't know. We'll keep you posted. Oh, how are you guys doing, by the way? Mind my manners. Excuse me, I should have asked this a long time ago. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a good day today. Hope you're feeling healthy. And just in general, life is on the uptrend. That's what we're looking for. Always progressing and moving forward and improving. Although it's okay to have a bad day every once in a while, but it's good to have more good days than bad days, I say. So anyways, I'm gonna keep walking. I'm about to go up a hill, so we'll talk to you guys later. Love you. So I figured this stuff out. It's called, well, I looked it up. It's called butterfly weed. And the monarchs, is that monarch? That's not a monarch. Is that a monarch? I can't tell what that is, but the butterflies do love it. Hi. You see these yellow in here? They're all over the place. That's that coreopsis. I'm wondering if that makes that thing, because these are all over. I wonder if I might need to look at what kind of a seed those produce, because they're just in here. They're bright, vibrant. There's lots of them. The leaves look similar to what was on that puffball. I don't know. I was kind of hoping it was the what do we call it? The salsify? Because the salsify, you can make chewing gum out of it. Apparently, that's what people do. It secretes, if you break the stems open, it secretes a milky substance. So you dry it on a piece of glass and you can chew on it. Just seems like an interesting use for the plant. It makes gum. It has other benefits. You can boil the roots and eat them. You can do other things, but it just seemed like a rather fascinating piece of nature's engineering. So anyways, I'm gonna keep walking, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Love you. All right, one last one, and then I gotta go home. I have this guy. I hope you're looking at that. That's green antelope horn. He's pretty, right? Green flower petals, little purple pink things inside there, and covered in bugs. He's nice. It's a neat little guy. Stand where maybe I can see the screen. I can't see what I'm looking at, but that's There's three little guys of that there. That's the only of that I have seen so far. So either that's the first or it's the only. I don't know. It seems to be like when I see something, I think, oh, it's the only one I've seen. More pop up. But anyways, that's that. I'm wet from the knees down from walking around out here. So I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna go have some dinner and just look at that sky. That's nice. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.